Hey friends, welcome back into Mud's Closet. Thanks for joining me. This video today is a tea video and it's focusing on the 2020 International Virtual Tea Festival that takes place on November 7th and 8th and is all virtual online, and there's still tickets available, so you can check that out online. This ticket package that I got, the package that I got was available when tickets first went on sale in September and has since sold out. I got this about a week ago and I just wanted to share what was in it. The notion of the tea festival came into my awareness floating through some different YouTube videos. Kathy Moment was the channel that I first learned about this. She attended the festival one year, and then I did a Google search on it and I was going to attend, and things just didn't work out. I couldn't get away. Plus, it was in Kansas City, and so then hotel and fuel and meals and all of that stuff. So it just didn't work out for me last year. They decided then to combine resources with other tea festivals, and they were going to do something different. And then COVID hit, and they decided to make it virtual. Now, I'm not a representation of this festival at all. I don't know anything other than what I've read online. So this Packup for the ticket package that I purchased came about a week ago, and it included this Tea Time magazine, which I've oftentimes seen at stores, but I haven't ever looked through, and that was really a lot of fun to look through. And then this other resource, Family Tea Time. Then these samples all came with it as well. And I know with the ticket Packup that's still available online, there are some samples, but I'm not sure how many or even if you still can get it. But these are Glenburn, Anna Marie's teas. There's just a bunch of different samples. Tea Source is a tea house in the Twin City areas that I used to love when I was on the road a lot. I spent a lot of time in the Twin Cities, and Evening in Missoula was one of my favorites of theirs. And I also like, this is a dark rose. It's called dark rose tea, and they're pressed into these little hearts. It's beautiful. There's some other things like, these are magnets and little stickers and brewing instructions and things like that. Plum Deluxe is a brand that I've read a lot about, but I haven't tried, and there's looks like a couple of their tea samples in there, Meadow Walk and Reading Nook Blend. Simpson and Vale, again, I've not ever tried them. This is a butterfly tea, and a butterfly tea usually has the butterfly pea flowers in it, and so those are the teas that you see that turn purple or blue, and then when you maybe add lemon juice or change the pH of it, they become purple. Also in my Packup was this t-shirt, was kind of fun, and a tea tasting cup, also kind of fun. And then one of the reasons that I think this kit was more expensive is because it included all the competition samples. So these are all competition samples, a lot of names that I haven't heard of before or that I haven't tasted. The Great Mississippi Tea Company is there. You Know Me, I think is how you pronounce that. Cultivate Taste, there's a couple of tea samples of that. Scent of Kawane Sencha, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, and I'll trust y'all to correct me, but that's a sencha tea. It looks like from Japan. That looks delicious. Some others here, I'm just gonna share with you some of what's here. And then along with all the tea tasting samples, this information packet came to tell me what to do with them and how to do the tasting. I need to vote by November 4th, and there's a special online class on October 24th, but I don't have to have all the teas tasted by then. But there's other information here, brewing times and temps for the different types of tea, things to look for, steeping times. So anyway, just really a lot of fun. So I wanted to share and let you know that this was all going on. If you are as excited about tea as I am or interested in learning more, check out the 2020 International Virtual Tea Festival that's scheduled for November 7th and 8th. Thanks a lot for watching. Share this if you'd like, and have a great afternoon.